Watching.
Where? Later.
Now, ready?
I'm kind of scared now.
I do it.
Yeah.
Okay, he's afraid. Understand me. Come here, close and see. Come on. This is the real issue. Okay? I'm going to start with AK-47. That's the sheet that I have in my hand. Now we check. Ready?
Yeah. That's one.
What's that? Second one? Galil?
One nigga.
Galil?
Right there.
Pistol? Yes, man. He's coming.
That's mine, like Mike.
Anything you need to confirm more?
No more. Ready.
You confirm it?
Confirmed. Confirmed.
Nigga, that's the real nigga. Mike in the house, man.
Mike
You
in
know
the
why?
building. No
That's
jokes.
the real man. We can protect Kir anywhere, man. No one will fuck around with us. You come close to Kir, I fuck you up, nigga.
South Sudan,